Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again. Today I am going to share the details about cast iron cookwares, how and why I use them, and also how to maintain them. Also today's video is brought to you by Indus Valley. Most of us think that what we eat is important and that's why हम try करते हैं healthy food options choose करना. Healthy food ingredients such as healthy oil, healthy vegetables, but we tend to often neglect healthy options for cooking utensils. But if you are particular about cooking healthy, then you should first consider cooking with the right utensils apart from using the right ingredients. I was also looking for same. So when I got the cast iron cookwares from Indus Valley, I knew my search is over. The Indus Valley cookware products are 100% natural, safe and convenient to use. You will be amazed at their wide range of cookware that includes iron, cast iron cookware, copper drinkware, wooden tableware, bronze, brass and clay utensils. Now most of us are guilty of having such a toxic and chipped off Teflon coated non-stick cookware in our kitchen, and that is so dangerous for our health. So it was time for me to replace the harmful Teflon coated non-stick cookware with the cast iron one. Now let me tell you which all cookwares I got from them. Yes, so the first one, as you can see, is this dosa tawa. The second one is this kadhai and then a skillet. कास्ट आयरन सोचते ही जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आता है इज हाउ टू मेंटेन देम. यस, दे नीड मेंटेनेंस एज द मटेरियल इज आयरन, सो वी मस्ट टेक केयर टू अवॉइड रस्टिंग. फॉर दिस वी नीड टू डू सीजनिंग. अगर आप थोड़ा सा एफर्ट डालते हो देन यू कैन पास ऑन योर कास्ट आयरन फ्रॉम जनरेशंस टू नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. सो लेट्स सी हाउ टू सीजन देम. Though Indus Valley's cast iron cookwares are already pre-seasoned, but it is better to season the cookwares anyway, this way after every use or at least frequently. तो पहले हम लोग cookwares को अच्छे से साफ कर लेंगे with dishwasher soap. Then we have to wipe it dry with a dry cloth. बहुत अच्छे तरीके से ड्राई कर लेना है. Then put it on stove and sprinkle some cooking oil. थोड़ा cooking oil डालना है and बहुत अच्छे से उस ऑयल को रब कर देना है throughout the surface of the cookware, including the back side. Now turn on the heat and heat the cookware mildly. That's it. It's not necessary to season every time you cook. However, the more you do it, the longevity of your cookware will increase. But be sure to at least wipe it dry every time you wash it. Now coming to this particular kadhai, this is a cast iron deep kadhai which is induction safe and pre-seasoned. The dimension is 30 by 25 by 9.5 centimeter. Weight is 2.8 kg. The wide and deep base ensures even cooking. The flat base basically makes it induction friendly. Now if you ask me why I use cast iron, there are several reasons. Like they are natural cookware without any harmful chemicals such as lead. बहुत टाइम से इंडिया में कास्ट आयरन का यूज होते आ रहा है, so nothing is new. It enhances the taste of the food. Yes, it gives authentic taste. Very durable, मजबूत है. If maintained properly, it can be continued a very long time. It is ready for high heat. It has good heat retention. बहुत टाइम तक कुकवेयर्स गर्म रहते हैं. So you can cook in steam or turn off the flame early. It does not lose its shape with time. It feeds the required amount of iron in our body, the right amount which is needed. Now one issue is there, which is the weight. We have to remember it is heavy because the material is iron, but I would say it is manageable at the same time. Next comes this super smooth cast iron skillet. The dimension is 39.4 by 25.2 by 5.3 centimeter. Weight is 2.43 kg and capacity is 1.5 liter. This cast iron skillet gives the traditional rustic taste to your food. It requires very less oil to cook. So here I will show you both non-veg and veg recipes cooking in the skillet. We are Bengalis and fish lover. Fish is our staple food, so I wanted to check how much oil I need to fry the fish. And also, can I fry the fish without breaking it? I always use mustard oil for my daily cooking, and as you can see, I gave a little bit extra oil as it was my first testing with the skillet. But what I found, you can cook with lesser oil than this due to its natural non-sticky character. And yes, the fish was cooked from all sides and I could see the non-sticky effect in this pan where the fish was not broken at all. Also, I fried some bhindi and got the same result. So you can totally use this skillet for less oil cooking and frying. Now last but not least is the cast iron roti tawa with long handle. The dimension is 43 by 26 by 1.7 cm and the weight is 2.11 kg. The best thing about these cookwares is there are no joints and bolts in the handle or anywhere else. So handle loose होने की कोई chance ही नहीं है. These are one-piece cookware. Now even if it's called roti tawa, you can use it for thousands of other recipes. I frequently use it for making omelette. Now when preparing food, again you have to remember the capacity of heat retention. Switch the flame off early if, like me, you also like your omelette to be half cooked. Apart from this, I use this tawa for making amazing dosas. I will share all the product links and Indus Valley's details in the description, so check out the description. Also, you can use this coupon code to avail 15% discount on your purchases. Now don't worry about this shape of the dosa, that's just me being not such a good cook, but it's a superb cookware for making not only dosas but also paranthas. So that's it for the video guys. If you want to go for a healthier cooking routine, then my advice is to opt for the Indus Valley cookwares. With this note, we are at the end of the video. If you liked this video and found it helpful, then do give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel. Share this video with everyone who is looking for a healthy cooking option. And I will see you in the next vlog. Until then, you take care and bye bye.